Wow, this is so yummy. You can see that. So while we are having this one, so we're going to be needing oil. So here we are needing these onions. Let me slice it. So add it over here. Go. So I'm adding this garlic paste. Then adding pepper. So adding this nut cube a little bit. Add a salt of paste. Then stir that together. Allow this to be frying at the same time while you debone the fish. Over here we have this fish. So here is the fish. So now you are going to get that debone. Just debone it by bringing out the bone from the fish. Send to this one. So remove every bone and then pieces the fish, guys. Break everything in pieces. Sweet, at this point, the fish is ready. We are pouring it over here. So now we are going to stir that. So stir fry the fish and the peppers to fry before we proceed. So sweet, we are going to be grating this carrot. So stir that together. So just toast this like 3 to 4 minutes so that the vegetable and the fish will get combined. So sweetie, at this point, it's ready. Look at that. See how yummy that look. Wow, this is so yummy. You can see that. So now we are going to keep it aside. Just keep it for here so it gets cold. So now we have pan. So clean the pan again. So we are going to be using this oil to get the spring roll fry. So we are going to be adding oil on this one. So over here we are going to be needing flour. So this one is good. Keep it aside. So add the water, a little bit of it. This one is still okay. They mix together. So it's okay like this. This one is the spring roll. Then I spring roll in a tortilla, right? So we take the tortilla now, and then first of all, right, use this batter to rub it like this. Let's serve the fillings over here. So it's going to enable us to use. We'll keep it over here. Then take 1 spoon. Add. Then add again. So now you cover. Roll it. So it's going to cover like this, and you keep it like this. Look at that. So take the second one. Add in the filling. cover. So have it again like this. So get everything covered. So this one is the last one.